Just came back from work, took a shower. I'm so exhausted. Like, it was a very terrible evening because it's snowing heavily, and I had to drive in the snow. My car was literally like the snow was moving my car. I I, I was just struggling with my steering, and thank God I'm home now, and I feel so tired. I'm not even able to eat breakfast. Like, sorry, I'm not even able to eat lunch. Okay. I'm not even able to eat dinner, guys. My brain is not just at this best place right now. Like, I can't eat dinner. I'm unable to. I'm hungry, but I feel super tired. Like, I just went to bed and now I'm thinking of, okay, I'll eat breakfast rather. So tired. Like, guys, if you are out there, it's really snowing bad. Please get inside if possible and drive safely.